In this video, I'll show you how to change location targeting in Google Ads so your campaigns reach the right audience in the right places. Start by opening your Google Ads dashboard and clicking Campaigns in the left-hand menu. This will display all the campaigns in your account. Select the campaign you want to adjust, then look for the Location section in the campaign menu. This is where Google Ads manages all geographic targeting for that campaign. On the Locations page, you'll see a list of areas where your ads are currently eligible to appear, such as countries, regions, or cities. Take a moment to review the list and confirm it aligns with your business goals. To add a new location, click the edit or pencil icon and type the name of the city, region, or country you want to target, then select the correct option from the suggestions. If you want to remove a location, simply check the box next to the area you want to exclude and choose the remove option. After saving your changes, the campaign will update and begin serving ads based on the new targeting settings. Subscribe for more practical Google Ads tutorials.